So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we have hit yet another milestone of over 10,000 channel views. It was all possible only because of your love and support to the channel. Now if you haven't subscribed already to our channel, then we will be posting weekly content based on our motivational videos. So make sure to subscribe if you like such content. So moving on into the video, as you can see, this is yet another video of Motivational Mondays. Now usually in Motivational Mondays, I try to take some problems that we face in our life and try to find out the solutions of those problems the motivational way. So as of this video, we are going to talk about how to get into the media industry, or we will be trying to see everything that we can learn about this media industry and what it holds for us. Well, before moving on into the video, as I've already said, if you haven't subscribed already, then please subscribe to the channel, and if you like the type of content I provide, then like to the video would be massive. Now, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So some of us are already interested in this particular term called media. Well, what does this media or what does this media industry actually comprise of? Well, all the movies and TV shows that you actually see come under direct stream or mainstream media. And all the social media like your WhatsApp, Twitter and Instagram also come under media. Well, to be clear, what does exactly media comprise of? Well, we'll be learning about all that and many more about media in this video. So if you are a person who is interested in this type of topic, then please make sure to watch the video until the end to find out more. So explaining the previous question, what exactly comes under this media industry? Well, let us learn about media industry first. What does it mean? Well, according to the definitions, media industry or media is a business model that is used to communicate information, art and entertainment to a large audience or a large community. So let us see as to what types of media comes under this industry. Well, the first type is the publishing type. So all the things that you publish comes under this type. All the books, comics, blogs and magazines come into this type. So the second one is the gaming industry or the video game making industry. So this video game production industry also comes into media because you are engaging a large set of people who play the games. Now the third type is the audio production industry. Well, this audio production such as your radio broadcasting, your podcast making, also your audio production in a normal basis. So the next type is your film production. All the films or the movies, TV shows and documentaries that are being produced comes under this particular category of media. It engages a huge set of audience and hence it comes under media. So the next type is your social media. Well, social media is a huge sector of your media industry. All your platforms such as your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube comprises of your social media industry. Well, all the things can be used for an individual to communicate to another individual or a large set of audience some information or some entertainment. So this also comes under media. So at the last, it is theatre and arts. Theatre and arts meaning there is dramas and plays that are being conducted, which also comes under media, and all the other arts such as your dance, music and everything else which entertains people also come into the category of media. Now you also have journalism and all the other things. Well, these also come under the media, and all the people who work into this industry, who are working in this particular type of media industry are also working for the media. So now that we know about everything as to the types and the fields of this particular media industry, let us hear about the opinions and experience of someone who is aspiring to go into the media industry.
Hi, my name is Vaishnavi. I'm 23 years old and I'm currently studying my Masters in Visual and Digital Media. I chose this field because I wanted to do something creative in my life. I wanted to tell stories that created a long-lasting impact. The field of mass communication in general is very wide. You have journalism, you have photography, you have videography, you have graphic design, there's advertising, public relations. So you get to learn a bit of everything when you're doing your graduation. So in my first year of graduation, I studied the nuances of the print media. So what is journalism and how a newspaper is created and what is editorial. At the end of the first year, I had to do an internship in print media. I chose a magazine and that helped me clear my concepts of how a magazine runs, and especially in the design department, that's where I was doing my internship. In the second year of my graduation, I studied electronic media, which covers mainly television and radio. I also studied photography, advertising, public relations, and event management. After completing the second year of my graduation, I had to do an internship in the electronic media, and I chose to intern at a news channel in the video editing department, where I understood how news items, or you could say feature videos, were edited, and that helped me a lot as I understood the basics of video editing more clearly. So there are two ways that you can get into this field. First is by doing a graduation degree in journalism and mass communication. The second is by doing a post-graduation or a master's, which is basically a specialization, what you exactly want. Apart from taking a typical or traditional academic route, you can also do a short-term courses. Nowadays there are a lot of options available in that as well. For example, in video editing or in photography or graphic design. Also important is doing internships in a media organization, because internships actually help you understand the field better. Like classroom learning is important, but outside, like say practical exposure, that's also very important. And the best way to do that is doing an internship in an organization. So one of the main essence of this field is creativity. And in order for a person to be creative, I feel it's very important that they're observant, keeping their eyes and ears open, be aware of what's going around, because you never know when an idea can come. Lastly, I'd like to say that one needs to be extremely patient when they're in this field, because the entire process of creativity can take time, and not all ideas can be successful. You'll have a lot of failures as well. So you need to embrace your success and your failure, which is also very important. Have an open mind and just embrace everything.
Now, if you want to excel in this particular media industry, then you must have all the patience and experience that you can gain. But most importantly, you must have the curiosity and the creativity to produce more results. So now that we have learned something very useful about the media industry in this video, if you like the type of content that I provide, then please make sure to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated whenever I post a new video. Now thank you again for all the love and support that you provide. See you guys in the next video. See you guys.